Hi friends, today we are going to see Gantt chart, how Gantt charts to be prepared for our daily execution of the operation as well as for the routine activity, and I will show you how this Gantt chart to be prepared, and you are seeing my screen. So same Gantt chart how to prepare I will show you. So for your understanding I will delete for this all these activity so that you will be easily understand. I have added here all process steps you are going to conduct for your Gantt chart project or your whatever project you are going to conduct. All process steps to be written here. You can write down here start date as well as end date. Okay, so on which date it is going to be start and on which date it is to be ended, and how much is the duration you will be recorded here. So I will delete this and then you will be understand how I have calculated this. So just it is very simple. You can write down this minus this so that you will get your actual duration of the days. Okay, according to that you can drag it and get it calculated for the rest of the figures, and then you can calculated the days completed for this activity. Now how it is to be calculated I will show you. Make it simple. This figure duration into your percent progress so that you will get 7 days completed with respect to the 100% completion of the activity. So in this way you can calculate the days of the activity. Now we will check for the graphical representation for the Gantt chart. So go to insert bar, then go to the bar chart. You can select like two-way bar. When you have selected this bar, you can just drop down, select this area, then make click right portion, select data. You can add here your start date, so 1 minute. Once you have selected this, once you have click this select data, click here your start date till here, then you can add here your duration and how much days you required. You can select from this point to this point. Now you will get this type of Gantt chart is here. Now for y-axis you have to make it edit here. You have to select all the process steps, then make it okay. You can do it okay. Once you have selected all the steps, you will identify your chart will look like this, but it is not in the reverse order. So what I will do here, select this area for the process steps, right click, format axis, and then select here categories in reverse order so that your all activities will be in reverse order. Date is going on the upper bar. Then you have to do one thing, you have to check for this open area as well as completed activity. You have to mark this, go to fill bar, then select no fill. Once you have completed this activity, you can click here for the start date, right click, see your format cells, what is the general figure for this 44,594. Then end date, again right click, select format, you will identify general figures 44,630. Now what you will go to do here, 44,594 and maximum 44,630. Make it close. Okay, so now your this area is ready and simple type of Gantt chart is just going to be ready. Now you have some blank spaces. You have to identify that how much area you have completed, how much activity you have to complete it, and how much actual duration is that. So select all this bar, right click, format area, then you go to here, and then select gradient color. Once you have selected gradient color, you will look like this. Once you have selected this area, you will just click on this button and then add data labels. In this way you can add here what is the actual period you need for the activity, that is the duration we have added here. So in this way you have added duration here. Now select the duration, and once you have select the duration, you have to click here, right click. You can make it here value from cells, and once you have selected this area, you can select your percent also. Once you have selected the percent, you have identified here whatever the activity you are going to be conducted. Now it looks like as on the same bar you are observing that how much area you are going to be completed 100% activity within 7 days, and whatever there is a 10 days required for activity but you have completed 80% task. So you are observing here with respect to task also. If you are going to be selected here, you can drag down, then just click here, right click, and you can fill the area in your graph also. So in this way you are going to make your Gantt chart. And so with this help of this Gantt chart, you are just representing your all these activities, and with the help of all these activities you can write down your project completion also, as well as date, and you can track your project also. So in this way it is very useful tool for mapping your day-to-day operations, and with the help of this Gantt chart you can make your operations very easy. It is a very simple Gantt chart, and based on this you can complete here activity. Thank you.